Animals as recreation. Animals are used in sports, companionship, luxury and in the world of fashion. जानवरों का इस्तेमाल मुख्तलिफ खेलों के लिए किया जाता है, जैसे कि घोड़े का इस्तेमाल, ऊंट का इस्तेमाल, यहाँ तक कि हमारे देहातों में मुर्गे का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. एंड इफ वन ऑफ द कॉक गेट्स सीरियसली इंजर्ड देन इट मे डाई. Now race horses require peak fitness for their shows and for their competitions. But अगर यही रेस हॉर्सेस बहुत ही यूनिक नस्ल के हैं और दुनिया से ख़त्म होते जा रहे हैं, if such race horses get injured, then sometimes it becomes very difficult to treat. So the use of animals in competition shows is something very unethical. If they get injured, we have to look at their fitness at a peak level. So animals can also be used as pets such as cats, dogs, birds, and they have the status of friends and children. But sometimes these pets get seriously ill because they are pampered too much. For example, if we overfeed our pet dog, then their health can be affected. Nowadays, breeding programs are going on and people get attracted through the aesthetics satisfaction that has to be obtained through the breeding programs, because in breeding programs the scientists flare up those characteristics of the animals which are more required by the people. So such animals that are obtained through the breeding program suffer from severe illness. For example, in UK, bulldog is refined so much through breeding programs that they suffer from breathing and they also have problems in giving birth naturally. Now, animals fur is also used today as well as in the past. But this luxury item which is used for clothing such as in coats is now not very popular, because we were using jaguar and leopard, which is also known as black cats, to obtain the animal fur. But these animals are getting extinct from different areas of the world. So in order to protect leopard and jaguar in different areas of the world, it is banned to use these animals for their welfare as well as for their conservation. आजकल मिंक एक जानवर है जिसका इस्तेमाल हो रहा है ताकि हम क्लॉथिंग के लिए फर का इस्तेमाल कर सकें. This animal lives near the water. They can prey on fish at swimming, birds at nesting. They can run, they can climb the trees. So these mink can be obtained naturally or they can be obtained by different breeding programs so that they can be used as a fur for clothing purposes.